Here's a close-up of the slipper and the side and the sole. You start by making the sole and then the sides, and then the flower is separate, sewn on it. So it looks like this here, and you sew it on it. Here's the other colorway, so you can get a very different looking one if you just change colors, like this here. Or you could also have that the flower bit just plain, not to have quite as many colors. I'm showing small bits of the pattern. The pattern includes both written instructions and charts of the different parts. There are many close-up photos at different stages of the work, and also 3 short videos to clarify the trickiest parts. See the link and get the pattern now.